Hello, my name is Derek Morrison. I'm a sales manager at Toshiba Canada. Today, I'd like to demonstrate to you how you can replace the platen roller, which goes in the front of a Toshiba BEX4T1 or 4T2 printer. I'm going to share a screen and we'll start right away. So these are all the components involved in replacing the platen roller. When you order a replacement platen roller, it will come like this with the gears on the end. There is this metal ring that has to go on the end right here. There's this metal ring which goes on the end as well. There's this lock mechanism which is going to lock this in place. And this is the tear bar which goes on as well. It's much easier to perform this task with a thin metal screwdriver like this one. So to replace the platen roller, you need to first open up the label printer, open up the side panel, remove the ribbons, and remove the labels. So once you remove the ribbons and labels from the printer, you need to open up the printhead block, raise the printhead. Using a long, thin screwdriver, you need to insert it right here so that it pushes against a piece of plastic that will easily unlock and allow you to take off the tear bar. This circular piece of metal and remove the platen itself, noting that there's a piece of metal washer right there. And on your roller, you might have glue, adhesive, whatever kind of residue might be on there, which might be just worn down the rubber, whatever. But to replace it is just the reverse. You put the platen roller back in the slot. You making sure that metal flange is there, and you put this metal washer back on there. You take your platen bar and tear bar and you reinsert it back into the machine like this. You taking the molded piece of plastic, you wrap it across the front, and it might be kind of hard to push this down. So I find if I push it from the back using the same screwdriver as before, it's much easier to lock it in. And that's how you replace the platen roller. So as you can see, this is my contact information. Any questions, I'd be happy to help. I hope this short video showed you how to easily change the platen roller in your Toshiba BEX4T1 or 4T2 label printer. I hope you found this video useful, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.